Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2021 Chevrolet Silverado LT. This vehicle is featured in deep red metallic paint with black alloy rims and black bumpers as well. We have our Z71 off-road package, rear privacy tint, full-line truck bed, four-wheel drive, V8 engine, Trail Boss package, as well as a backup camera, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, lumbar supports, heated seats, and heated steering wheel. And now moving on to the interior of the Silverado. On our door panel we can see we have our black leather, chrome door handle, window and mirror controls with our automatic window for the driver. Below we have our wood trim, Bose speaker and storage. Inside of the seat we have our power adjustable seats with lumbar support. After the steering wheel we have our trailering mode, four-wheel drive and lighting controls, as well as our electric park brake. We have our gauge cluster with screen and digital speedometer. Multifunction leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with black Chevrolet bow tie in the middle. Push start is just underneath. And then we have our infotainment screen with backup camera, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Wi-Fi hotspot, and users for the vehicle. Go ahead and go into the camera. We can see we have adaptive guidelines and an adaptive trailering line. Under that are the radio controls. We have our dual zone climate controls, climate controls in the middle, heated seat options for driver and passenger, and then our vehicle controls are located underneath. We then have our trailer brake, USB-C, USB port, 12-volt charging outlet, and 3-prong charging outlet. We have our storage area in the middle, our key with remote start and power tailgate release, 2 cup holders, padded leather center console lid with phone holder in the middle, finished in textured rubber. Then we have plenty of storage room on the inside and charging outlets at the front, as well as a light at the back. The front seats are featured in black leather with dark gray stitching, and again these are heated seats up front. And above the rear view mirror we have OnStar controls, reading lights, as well as our 3 garage door openers. Now back onto the exterior, we can see our Z71 badging in red, white, and chrome. We have our black alloy rims with black Chevrolet badge center caps. Again, that matches the black Chevrolet badge on the front of the vehicle, back of the vehicle, and on the steering wheel. We have black metallic mirror caps and door handles, chrome lock and unlock buttons there for the driver. Your privacy tint, and around to the back we have our Trail Boss badging, paint matched rear bumper to the black we see on the mirror caps and door handles, again black Chevrolet bow tie, bumper steps, chrome tip dual exhaust and hitch underneath. Tailgate releases down to reveal 2 hidden steps. We also have a handle that folds up, allowing us to step in easier, and a full-line truck bed with Chevrolet bow tie at the front. Now moving on to the rear interior of the Silverado, we can see our chrome door handle, window switch, wood trim, speaker, and storage. Back of the front seats we have leather magazine holders, and back of the center console area we have our rear cup holders, charging outlets, and vents. Then our back seats are featured with fold-out storage seats, and a fold-down center seat with 2 cup holders inside. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of our 2021 Chevrolet Silverado. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily Chevrolet videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.